This video is going to show you how to repair roof damage using the Flawless Roof Granule System at flawlessroof.com. This is a before and after photo of a 2-inch hail impact that has been repaired. There may be some color variation when the repair is done, but after several months of sun exposure, the granules should fade and blend in with the rest of the roof, making repairs near impossible to find. Before we get started, you're going to need some tools: chalk, a hand broom, a detergent cleaner, and wash or water if there is dirt embedded on the shingle to improve glue adhesion, a caulking gun, and a tube of ultraviolet commercial-grade clear roofing silicone, matching granules from the flawlessroof.com website, a taping knife, an 8x8 sheet of metal flashing, and a hand roller. Use chalk to mark all the damaged spots on the roof. Mark the areas on a shingle different from the damaged shingle to be repaired. Remove debris with a hand broom and clean with a detergent cleaner if necessary and allow to dry. Use the caulking gun and the taping knife to cover the patch of the shingle to be repaired. Spread and smooth the silicone. Use the granule shaker to spread granules over the repair area, covering all of the silicone. Cover the repair area with the metal flashing and use pressure with the hand roller to compress the granules into the silicone. Allow the silicone and granules to adhere and then remove the loose granules. Congratulations, you have restored a shingle. Allow several months for the new granules to fade from the sun and blend in with the rest of the roof. For more information, go to flawlessroof.com.